Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Chaos Before Cosmos. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you guys are returning, welcome back, OGs. Just doing a little collective reading here. Just doing a little energy check-in, see what's going on in collective's energy. Alright, let's have a look what's happening here. Spirit. This message won't be for everybody again, guys. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. You could be seeing a lot of dragonflies, butterflies at the moment. You could be seeing a lot of 999s, 88s, 888s, 444s, 222. You could also be seeing 777s. Again, lots of dragonflies, butterflies going to be significant here. It's got thoughts. Somebody could be thinking about you at the moment. Collective, right? Somebody could be, yeah, got redemption here. So it could be somebody in your energy collective, right, that's thinking about trying to redeem themselves, okay? Thinking about if they can redeem themselves. Whoever this person is, you could have them blocked, collective, blocked from being able to contact you. I've just seen 122 on the timer. Could be seeing 122. Somebody's been blocked though. Okay, this could be by you, it could be by the divine. What else do we need to see here for the collective? Spirit, please and thank you. Current energy. Perspective. Just going to move these a little bit further over. So now, collective, you could have gotten yourself a different perspective on a particular situation, right? Something that's been happening in the recent past here. This could also be somebody else that's getting a different perspective about the situation. Give me more, Spirit. Seeking. Somebody could also be looking to try and get a different perspective on the situation. One more. Mirror. Okay. So now somebody could be seeing the truth maybe about a situation, looking themselves in the mirror, wanting to redeem themselves, but it looks to me, collective, like you've got this person blocked, right? There's something you've seen here about this individual. Somebody's seeking to see the truth here too about a situation. Let's have a look. For the collective, what's happening here in this situation? Got Virgo, Capricorn energy there. Collective, somebody could be feeling a little bit haunted, right? Or, again, a little bit terrified of something. Okay, maybe haunted by their behavior, terrified at the idea that they're not going to get another chance. Okay, they're in a graveyard, so something could be dead. Something could be over. Right, somebody's afraid. So we've got Taurus, Scorpio energy there. So, there's definitely some sort of manipulation here, right? Somebody trying to pull somebody's strings, trying to control somebody. Manipulation, control. Something about manipulation and control in this situation. So, look, somebody could also be seeing, right, that they were being a little bit controlling in a situation here. Got Virgo energy, so somebody could be praying to the divine to heal something. Also, collective, this could be you. Connected to spirit, connected to the elements. You could have been praying for something here. You could have been praying for this manipulation to end. So you could be a Virgo. You could have strong Virgo placements. You could also be born on the 6th, 15th, or the 24th of any month. What else have we got going on here? Oops, too many, Spirit. Too many. Give me one more, please, Spirit. One more. Okay. Got Leo, Taurus energy there. Collective, it looks like you hold some sort of position here, right? So you sit on your throne. Could have been crowned, spiritually crowned. Somebody here sitting on their throne, though. Could also be the apple of someone's eye, collective, right? Somebody could also have you in their sights, is what I'm getting. Aries, Capricorn energy. It looks like we've got an energy here as well in this storyline that's potentially feeling a bit stuck, okay? Somebody could be stuck between a rock and a hard place when it comes to this situation. You could have also felt stuck in a situation. Who's the collective dealing with? I don't know why I'm getting Ice Queen here. There's a tear coming down her face too. Okay, so this could be somebody that was quite cold. Cancer, Capricorn energy. Got a vampire here. Aries, Scorpio energy. So this person could have been draining you. Okay, this cold person, this Ice Queen, this cold ass energy. It's like somebody here didn't care. They didn't care about the fact that they were draining you, right? There's also somebody that didn't care that they were manipulating you here either, right? Trying to pull strings here, trying to control you, manipulate you, something of that nature. Someone's guiding this person, right? So it looks like somebody's doing some sort of cleaning up here, right? So I don't know, Spirit could be guiding this person to clean up some sort of mess here or clean something up here. Got Gemini and Sagittarius energy. So it's like somebody's being watched over, right? Someone's watching the work that somebody's doing. Capricorn energy there. Yeah, it's like Spirit have guided somebody to clean up some sort of mess and put an end to something here that they've been doing. Okay, could be this manipulation, could be this whatever they've been draining here, right? Energy vampire is what I'm kind of getting. Somebody's being guided to clean up their mess. That's what it is. Yeah, some sort of message here, right? Some sort of message, right? Somebody's gotten a message about needing to put something to rest here and clean something up. Something they've done, right? Collective, whoever you are, I feel like you're protected here, right? Spirit's protecting you from controlling individuals, manipulative individuals. Also got, again, we've got Virgo, Aquarius energy there, Gemini energy. Yeah, look, whoever you are, you're being showered by the divine. Abundance, healing, blessings. Leo, Sagittarius energy. Something could also be expanding for you. Right, you're being protected, okay? You're being protected against, again, people that want to make you their puppet, people that want to drain you, okay? People that are cold and callous towards, they're cold and callous towards you, right? Don't really care about the actions that they're taking towards you, right? Now somebody's being guided to work something out here, okay? Clean something up, put an end to something. This is a message, again, that somebody's gone quite clearly. In order to transform, this person needs to, again, clean up their mess, whether that be energetically or physically. Okay, whoever this energy is, Scorpio, Capricorn energy, somebody is definitely in regrets now about their actions. Because I know that you're protected, right? Your abundance, your blessings, something's protected here. Yeah, look, collective, you drew a line here, right? You're protecting yourself. You're guarded here from this person. Aries, Libra energy. It's like you've drawn a line here. Why is this person showing up in Collective's reading? Why are they still showing up in Collective's reading? I know they've been guided towards, again, cleaning something up. Scorpio, Aquarius energy. So, somebody could want to bring a situation back to life here. Okay. So again, somebody does want to redeem themselves, okay, because they've been told they need to clean something up and put an end to something here, right? They need to get themselves a different perspective. So they could be wanting to rebirth this situation with you. We've got some Scorpio, Pisces energy. So this person needs to balance out their dark and light side, right? So this person's needing to balance something out over here. Okay, so again, this person could be very out of balance at the moment. What do they want from collective? What does this person want from collective? What is it they're seeking from collective? Well, this person could be seeking long-term marriage, happily ever after. Libra, Sagittarius energy there. Give me one more. What is this person seeking from collective? There's something this person wants you to recognize about them. This person could also want to announce something. Leo, Gemini energy there. What's the advice for collective when it comes to this situation? Ooh. Ooh. Collective, man, I'm going to say leave this alone, right? Because Virgo, Sagittarius energy, it looks like somebody's having to face some sort of spiritual court here. Okay, somebody's in spiritual court for potentially being a little bit childish out here. Okay, somebody could have had a bit of a tantrum. Got Cancer and Aries energy there. All right, so somebody could have done something childish here and they could be facing some sort of spiritual court. Yeah, this person, whoever they are, right? Libra, Pisces energy, wanting to profess their love to somebody, right? So this person could feel like, collective, they are your divine counterpart. Gemini, Pisces energy there. Yeah, this person could feel like maybe a little bit of a fool, right? Like they're trapped right now. Capricorn, Aquarius. Hoping maybe that you'll take a risk. Take a leap of faith here. Sagittarius, Aquarius. Yeah, this person wants a rebirth. Cancer, Aquarius energy there. Last final word from Spirit. Ooh, too many Spirit. Let's try that again, shall we? Got Artemis here, courage, empowerment, protective. Stand up for what is right, collective, right? You got to stand up for what's right for you in this situation. Okay? Continue to have strength. Half the deck came flying out on the floor. Yeah, we'll take this one here. So, I feel like for somebody here, the energy felt off in this situation, okay? So there's no appeal in the energy of this situation. Something just felt off. And so you took some sort of action here. Acted accordingly to the situation or the energy of this person. Okay, that's potentially why you've got this person blocked. Yeah, because it's time of enjoyment for you, right? Time to focus on celebrations and artistic expression. Not this person or this situation. So there could be a lot of creative solutions coming to you at this time, collective. Again, you could be revealing some sort of creations here, finding new ideas, new ways to express yourself. Whoever this person is, right, it looks like they could be sending you some evil eye, or this person could be in some sort of quiet competition with you, all right? But you got to pay no attention to this energy, right? Keep focusing on what it is that you're building, what you're doing, okay? It's time to, again, pick which direction you want to go. Don't delay, all right? Keep moving forward. Okay, don't let these bumps in the road, right, slow you down here. Focus on the positives. Okay, keep moving through life here too with intention. Making well thought out moves to get the best out of your life. All right, collective, let's just go through quickly. Stronger signs coming out here. We've got Aquarius, Cancer, Gemini, Pisces, Leo, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Aries, Virgo. Okay, so that could be your, Capricorn. That could be in your sun, moon, rising, or Venus placements. All right, again, guys, take what resonates, leave what doesn't. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.